Hi guys, welcome to Gerard Joy's Life Blog. Today, we will learn basic Cebuano Bisaya, and this time, greetings. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Musta means how are you? Unsay imo pangalan means what is your name? Okay rako means I'm fine. Ikaw di ay means how about you? Pila imong edad means how old are you? Taga-asa di ay ka means where are you from? Adto nako means I'm going. Gikan ko sa means I'm from, like I'm from Cebu. Gikan ko sa Cebu. Asa di ay ka nagpuyo means where do you live? Nagpuyo ko sa means I live in, like nagpuyo ko sa Cebu. I live in Cebu. Busy kaayo ka karon means have you been busy recently? Asa ka padung means where are you going? Kita lang taon niya means see you later. Kita lang taugma means see you tomorrow. Amping means take care. Maayong buntag means good morning. Maayong hapon means good afternoon. Maayong gabi means good evening. Maayong Pasko means Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in my next video.